In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank accounts in Xero. This is an essential part of maintaining accurate financial records, helping you ensure that your company's recorded transactions match the actual bank transactions. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First things first, log into Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, let's head over to the Accounting section. You'll find it at the top of the page. Clicking on Accounting will reveal a drop-down menu for you. From here, go ahead and select Bank Accounts. This is where you'll see a list of all the bank accounts you have connected to Xero. Now find the bank account you want to reconcile and click on Reconcile Items. In this area, you'll see a list of statement lines from your bank along with suggested matches from your Xero transactions. This is where the reconciliation magic happens. Now let's work on matching your transactions. For each transaction, if Xero's suggested match is correct, simply click OK. This signals to Xero that the transactions align and need no further action. However, if the match Xero suggests is not accurate, don't worry. You'll click on Find and Match instead. This will allow you to search for the correct transaction in your Xero records. Sometimes you might find a transaction that hasn't yet been recorded in Xero. In such cases, you need to create a new transaction. Click on Create, and then select the appropriate option based on the transaction type. Spend money, if money went out. Receive money, if money came in, or transfer for movements between accounts. Fill in the relevant details like contact information, the account the transaction relates to, and the tax rate. Once you've entered all necessary information, click OK to save the entry. Move through your statement lines, matching existing transactions or creating new ones where needed until all the statement lines are reconciled. You're looking to reconcile each of these bank statement lines so that your real-life bank balance matches what is reflected in Xero. This means ensuring all transactions are accounted for and accurate. Finally, consider running a reconciliation report. Although optional, it's a valuable tool for double checking. Navigate to Accounting, then Reports, and look for the Bank Reconciliation Summary. Use this report to verify that your Xero reconciliation aligns with your actual bank records. And there you have it. Your bank accounts are not only reconciled, but your financial records are neat and accurate. Regular reconciliation in Xero will help you avoid errors and keep your financial data reliable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.